So I'd never been to Design Engine before, so I didn't know exactly what to expect. Walking into the building was kind of fun, and then walking into the offices of Design Engine was even more fun. Walking into a space that was obviously influenced by designers, by people that value art, and a place that's very cozy, comfortable, and in a way intimate. It was really nice, and with the class size being so small, it just really combined to make a fun and a good training environment. In terms of the work that we do, designing oil field equipment, sometimes you might think that surfacing isn't so important, you can just get along with solids. But there is actually some stuff that needs a bit of complex geometry. And so that was where we kind of ran into the issues, is we didn't really know how to do it. And so we decided to come here and learn the basics and some of the more advanced options that are available as well in Creo. And we've been able to come up with a model that works for us now, whereas we weren't able to do that before. I knew coming in a little bit of surfacing, how it works in Creo and Pro Engineer, but not a whole lot. And I was a little nervous about how difficult it might be, but it turned out to be really, really well developed here, the curriculum that you guys have. And it was very, very helpful for me. The Design Engine instructors were really good guys. They were interested in the class. Class size was small, which was good as well. They dedicated plenty of time to helping us out with the issues that we were having, trying to get through the lessons and whatnot, and they did a really good job walking us through and pacing us and helping us get to our goals. There was no book that we followed necessarily. It was just kind of, here we're going to try and do something, and we have a way of doing it, go ahead and play around with it. There were some challenge objectives that were nice to have to really boost the learning potential of the class, so it was really good. I learned a lot about patching surfaces, right? So applying Band-Aids, and I found it very interesting to learn about how to make different types of rounds by cutting out a Creo round and doing your own round using surfaces, things like that I'd never been exposed to. And then of course getting into the ISDX stuff, doing all the style features and the style edits that were available. I'd been exposed to some of those on a very rudimentary level, but having the opportunity to get to use all those tools in actual product environments, designing seats and combs and all sorts of real life uses for these tools in Creo, it was really, really good. I would highly recommend Design Engine to my friends and colleagues because it seems like it's a really good value for the money. I was looking at other training offerings that were available, and they were a little bit less expensive and they were a little bit closer to home, but we felt that we'd probably get the most bang for our buck here, not with just the instruction, but also the final day where it was work on our projects day, where we got to come in and sit down with the experts and have them help us with our problems that we're having with our specific projects at work. That alone, I think, is worth quite a bit more than what you end up paying for the class itself. So.